Well, this is my Roto-Baler aftermath video. As you can see, I had some problems, and this is about the condition of the windrows that I had going into the baler. I don't know if you can see that. Probably could have been a little thicker, but it's grass. I don't know if the grass made a big difference. But as you can see, these belts here are loose. This one was a little bit tighter. Okay. This got damaged when the belts got like this, and that top roller here kept running. You can see on the bottom here, this belt is supposed to be over, and these here are tight, and there's not enough hay in there to justify them being that tight. See? But what you can see happen is they got folded over. Like the belt stopped on this bottom roll, and they just sucked themselves here, pulling this up right up to the top, and then you can see that trips the tie mechanism and shuts the apron off. It kept doing that repeatedly. I did have problems with this dog too, slipping. See, I got a new spring on it. It's got good snap. You see there's some wear on there. Probably help if that was a little more square, but that's not the main problem. Of course, it's up here that the main problem is. And it kept doing this. Was not able to get a bale finished and tied. One time I got a bale, I would say like 3/4 of the way full, but then I went and did this again. So I had to dump the bale. Let's see if I have my crowbar on the tractor here. Let's see, I got a crescent wrench. I'll trip the latches here to release the bale. There's a little lever there. Okay, release that side. That side's released. I'll pull on this. Oh, see, the bottom roller is above that. Got to get these belts loose enough to drop that roller down. I'll stop the video, get this down, and then continue the video.